Hmm. Okay, so in today class we have learned we are discussing about what is Python, okay, and what is use. Okay, there is very a first class, so there is the theory, then practical. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Wait, I will share. एक second, बस मेरे को एक time. Okay. So basically, we can start from introduction. So what is Python? Python is one of the most popular and widely used programming language in nowadays because of its simplicity, extensive features, and support of libraries. Okay, so for example, मतलब if I talk, not talk about Python, it's a simple example. Do you knowledge about maths?
Yes.
Okay. So in maths we can do some calculations. Okay. As well as in Python we can also do maths in Python with the help of libraries that is NumPy. NumPy is numerical Python. So with the help of this library we can easily perform math calculations. Okay. Python also have clean and simple syntax. Okay, basically it is a coding language, so it has syntax, but it is very easier in comparison. In the comparison of other language, Python is very easy. It is very demandable in market, and it is easy to learn and easy to use. Okay, most of the in most of the companies and most of the project, Python is more portable and compatible in the comparison of other coding languages like C, C++, Java. Okay, so Python is same as C, and the codes of Python is 1 and 2 lines. In the comparison of other coding languages like Java, we have so much lengthy code, right? But in Python, in a short way, we can conclude what our needs, right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Which is make it beginner friendly, while it also provides powerful libraries and frameworks that makes it perfect for the developer. Developer, that means, do you have any visit any website just like Mintra, Meesho. So Python is also used in making websites. Okay, uh, making websites and also used in doing mathematics calculation. Okay, that field is different. That is Python development field, right?
Yep.
That is clear to you or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so now what is Python? Python is a general purpose dynamically typed high level compiled and interpreted garbage collected and purely object oriented programming language. मतलब कि Python एक बहुत ही जनरल पर्पस और डायनामिकली और हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. इसका जो कंपाइलेशन का जो टाइम होता है जब हम कोड को लिख लेते हैं, when we uh, when we write the code and after debugging, then compile, the execution of compile time is less than in the comparison of other code coding language time. मतलब कि पाइथन जो है एग्जीक्यूशन जल्दी कर लेता है, कोई कोई ऐसा होता है कि जैसे जावा हो गया तो कहीं कहीं ऐसा होता है कि एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम बहुत ज्यादा लग जाता है उसमें, राइट। आप समझ रहे हो मैं आपको क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ। एक ये इंटरप्रेटेड मतलब कि फॉर एग्जांपल इंटरप्रेटेड का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे कि लाइन बाय लाइन एरर को, अगर एरर है तो उसको रिजॉल्व करना। दैट मीन इट कंपाइल द कोड, it compiled the code. That means in simple word, I can say that it reads the code and correct the error line by line. If uh, I can create a code, then debug the error in first line. So Python is interpreted in this code, then it correct the first line code, then second line, then third, then fourth, and so on, right? So Python is very portable language and very easy language, जो कि object oriented, that is OOP, objects oriented programming language. This is another concept, okay, and functional programming. Okay, so this is Python. Clear हुआ आपको कुछ बयान?
Understood.
Okay. Why we should learn Python? Python provides many useful features to the programmer. See, हम जब भी कोई लैंग्वेज को सीखने जाते हैं तो उसके कुछ फीचर्स भी होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं बात करूँ लैंग्वेज को नहीं करती हूँ, मैं बात करती हूँ मैथ्स की या इंग्लिश की नॉर्मली। अगर हम इंग्लिश सीखते हैं तो हाँ उसमें कुछ फीचर्स होते हैं, उसमें प्रोफिशिएंसीज होती है। वैसे ही इस लैंग्वेज में भी कुछ मतलब वो है, मतलब फीचर्स है इसके, जो कि बहुत ही जो कि बहुत पॉपुलर बनाता है इसे उसके फीचर्स के थ्रू, और बहुत वाइडली यूज होती है उसमें। नीचे लिस्ट है। सबसे पहले है इजी टू यूज और लर्न। Okay, Python has a simple and easy to understand syntax, unlike other languages such as C, C++, Java, etc., which make it easier for the beginner to learn. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Object-oriented language, second one feature, it supports object-oriented programming. This concept is different, but in Python we can use also OOPS. Okay, making writing reusable and modular code easy. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने एक कोड लिखा है, ठीक है, और मुझे उसको मॉडिफाई करना है तो मैं इजीली मॉडिफाई भी कर सकती हूँ। ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे उसके लिए नई नई चीज के लिए नई कोड लिखनी पड़े, ऐसा नहीं होता है। ठीक है। उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ GUI प्रोग्रामिंग सपोर्ट की, पाइथन प्रोवाइड सेवरल GUI फ्रेमवर्क सच एज PyQt, which allows developer to create desktop application easily. Okay. मैं अगर बात करूँ एक वेबसाइट्स की, ठीक है, वेबसाइट्स जो होती है ना वो जावा से बनती है, ठीक है, उसका फ्रेमवर्क बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होता है। लेकिन कुछ वेबसाइट्स पाइथन से भी बनती है जहाँ पे ना बहुत इजी, जो भी हमारे अभी डेवलपर्स हैं ज्यादातर पाइथन यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि उनका जो पाइथन का जो फ्रेमवर्क है जैसे डीजेंगो हो गया, डीजेंगो इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ पाइथन लैंग्वेज। ओके, सो दिस इज डेवलपमेंट फील्ड। मतलब कि पाइथन जो है डेवलपमेंट फील्ड में भी और एनालिस्ट के फील्ड में भी काम आता है। पाइथन इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन मेकिंग अ गेम, जस्ट लाइक टिकटॉक, टिकटॉय गेम। डू यू नो टिकटॉक, टिकटॉय गेम?
What?
टिक टैक टॉय।
Yes.
So we can create this game with the help of Python, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next one is dynamic memory allocation. Python automatically manage memory allocation, which make it easier for developers to write complex program without worrying about memory management. Okay. Python have dynamic memory allocation. There is no error in space. Okay, मतलब कि उसमें कोई भी होता है ना कि जैसे स्पेस भर जाता है तो फिर वो एरर आने लगता है, उसके पास बहुत सारा है। वो कॉम्प्लेक्स कर सकता है, मतलब प्रोग्राम को बड़ा कर सकता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम, बड़े प्रोग्राम में भी हो सकता है। उसका मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा है, मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट। उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ वाइड रेंज ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज एंड फ्रेमवर्क्स। Python has a vast collection of libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas. Framework is Django and Flask that can be used to solve a wide range of problems. That means पाइथन की जो लाइब्रेरीज होती हैं, जो फ्रेमवर्क होता है, वो क्या हेल्प करता है कि जो रेंज ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जो प्रॉब्लम होती है, वो अब पाइथन क्या करता है कि वो अपने फ्रेमवर्क से, अपनी लाइब्रेरी से उसे सॉल्व आउट कर लेता है। उसके बाद मैं बात करती हूँ वर्सैलिटी की। तो पाइथन इज अ यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज इन वेरियस डोमेन्स सच एज वेब डेवलपमेंट, मशीन लर्निंग, data analysis, scientific computing, and more. Python is a universal language that is used in development field, as I told you. That is, and data analysis, data analysis field that I told you, the scientific computing, development field, and more. Okay, these are the features of Python. Okay, uh, till आपको कोई डाउट हो तो आप पूछिए. You have
Okay.
any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. Why we use Python? Python is a general purpose popular programming language, and it is used in almost every technical field. The various areas of Python use are given below. So Python जो है वो काफी different fields में यूज होता है, जिसमें से सबसे पहला फील्ड आता है डेटा साइंस. So what is data science? Data science is a vast field and Python is an important language. If you want to switch your career in data science, you must learn the language that is Python. Python is the base of data science field because of its simplicity, ease of use, and availability of powerful data analysis and visualization libraries. Python has also have visualization libraries. Visualization libraries means that is we can plot the graph. We can plot the graph also in Python. Uh, when we create a graph in maths, I think आपने solve problem solve करी होंगी maths में graphs वाली.
Yeah.
वैसे ही हम पाइथन में मैटप्लोट्लिब और सीबॉन का यूज करते हैं ग्राफ्स बनाने के लिए. सो दैट इज द होल प्रोसेस नोन एज विजुअलाइजेशन. Right?
Oh,
Second one is artificial intelligence, that is AI. AI is an emerging technology. Python is a perfect language for the artificial intelligence and machine learning because of its availability and simplicity. Powerful libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and Python. Okay, these libraries are also known as for Python. Main libraries only four, that is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. ठीक है. Other libraries TensorFlow, Keras और Python. NumPy is used for maths. Pandas is used for data frame. Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for plotting graph. That is whole process known as visualization. Okay. Or what that mean data analyze? Data analyze is the process we can easily represent the data in the form of graphs, okay, in the form of charts to find meaningful insights and working as working as well as our needs. Okay, ये आपको समझ में आया? जितना मैंने आपको बोला आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, यहाँ तक आपको समझ आया?
हाँ.
Okay. That third one is machine learning. Machine learning, Python is also widely used for machine learning because of its simplicity, e- ease of use, and availability of powerful machine learning libraries. ये मैंने आपको बता दिया था. एनालाइज के बारे में मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. पाइथन इज ऑल्सो यूज टू क्रिएट visualization of data. It is also used to analyze the price trend and market prediction and automate workflows across multiple data sources. Okay, ये क्लियर है यार? डेटा
Yes.
एनालिस्ट तक. वेब डेवलपमेंट मैंने आपको बता दिया था. ठीक है. अब बात करते हैं हम पाइथन का, मतलब वेयर वी कोड फॉर पाइथन. ओके. We cannot use any software, okay, for the Python, because everyone should not be able to download the softwares in the system. That's why we can use Google product, that is Google Colab. Do you know about Google Colab?
No.
Okay, I will tell you. Wait. Do you see my Chrome screen or not?
Yes.
Okay, we can easily write here Google Colab. Okay, this is Google Colab. Google Colab is the product of Google. Okay, so we can easily click here Colab notebook, right? And this is the Colab notebook. Right now, we can easily click here new. Okay, so this is the Colab notebook. Okay, this is a notebook where we can run the codes of Python and create the code. Okay. Firstly, we have to connect with the server this notebook. Okay, that means that is connected. This interface, we can easily change our title, Python first class. Okay, here we can create a code. Right now, मैंने आपको बताया था पाइथन के बारे में. ठीक है. पाइथन is a high level programming language. It was developed by Guido, um, Guido van Rossum in 1991. Okay, okay. मैंने आपको in Python we can learn about variables. Variables. Okay. In Python, variable can be defined. Variable can be defined as the container where the data is stored. Data means any type of data, such as numeric, such as numbers, just like positive numbers, positive number, negative. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. And just give me 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah, I'm sorry, this is an important call. Hello?
Hello.
I'm audible to you. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, that's great. Negative number, Boolean values, such as true or false, and so on. Okay, so variable. Uh, in Python, we can define variable is a container. Okay, variable is a container. Variable is a store where Python can store its data in that place. So in the data, any type of data that is numerical, that is text, that that is Boolean values. Okay, any type of data, right? So do you got it? Are you got it? What is variable?
Yeah, I understand what variable is.
Or what is Python? You you got it or not?
Yeah, I got what Python is.
Okay, why we use Python? That you have got it or not?
Yes, I've got it.
Okay. So till now you don't have any doubt, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So in math in maths we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. We can start from addition. Okay. We can start from basic, right? Hashtag addition. Okay. There is one more point in Python. We can In Python, start, we can start variable name with underscore, underscore only. We can't start the variable name with symbols. Just like this. Okay,
Okay.
okay. We can start addition, right? So, and I can use hashtag that is comment in Python. In Python, we can write comment with the help of hash. Okay, in Python, we can write the comment with the help of hashtag, right? Ayan, how is it?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Okay, we can do addition. Okay, we can start from addition. Okay, so एक normal example लेती हूँ 45 plus 25 69 32 20. Okay, one's block is off. Sorry, my bad. 65 35 45 95. Okay, we can do mathematics here also. Okay, I want total of these numbers. So I can easily run control enter. So the total is here. We can do maths here just like with the help of coding. This is normal addition. Okay. One more 58, 96, 69, 36, 45, 25, 329. And this is clear to you, Ayan? That is normal addition without any coding. I can not use any code. Right now, I am doing simple addition, right?
Got it.
Okay. Okay. I have taught what is the shortcut keys of run the code and change the code or create a no a new code cell. Okay. Control MB. This is new code space. Okay. Now I can do here subtraction, just like addition.
Ma'am, can you repeat what command it is?
Okay. Control plus
Control.
control M plus B.
Okay.
मतलब कि control MB. M for monkey, B for ball, V for vending, B for ball.
Okay.
Okay, I can do here subtraction normal. Okay, so 56 minus 52 minus 45 minus 23. Okay, I can easily run the code for the output. The output, I mean, I want solution of these numbers. So I can press easily Control Enter -64. For running the code, we can use Control plus Enter. Okay, okay, Ayan. Don't worry, I'm not, and you have. मैं आपको दूंगी मतलब सारे नोट्स मतलब दूंगी यहाँ पे उसमें सब चीजें आपको मेंशन है कि कोड कैसे रन होता है कैसे क्या होता है डोंट वरी ठीक है अभी आप
Okay.
समझो मैं क्या करवा रही हूँ ठीक है लेट्स वन लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल ओके 89 minus 79 minus 69 minus 36 control enter minus 95 okay Ayan हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
ये ठीक है मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है आपको याद रहेगा
Okay.
ओके नाउ वी कैन डू हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो 2 into 4 into 9 into 8 into 9 into 7 into 5 I want the output of this I want solution of these digits so I can easily press here control enter the answer is here. Just like this, I will take one more example. 85, sorry, 58 into 98 into 69 into 23 into 12. Control Enter. The output is here. Oops, sorry, my bad. I can do here division also, right? 4 divided by 2. Control Enter. The answer is 2.0. Okay? Okay. In Python, division can be divided into three parts. Okay. First is complete division. Okay. It always gives the float value. That means decimal. Okay. This is decimal now, 2.0,
Yep.
right? Next
Yes.
is floor division. It denotes by double slash, and it always gives quotient, right? Third is reminder, reminder. Okay, modulo division.
So, ma'am, what is the difference between floor division and complete division?
The main difference between in this, it gives the floor division, the complete division always give float values. That means the number is completely divided, just
So
like
in
4
floor
divided by
division,
2.
so in floor division, you will not get the complete value. You will only get the whole number.
Yeah,
Okay.
modulo division third. Returns the remainder of a division, right? So these three division. Okay, एक चीज जैसे ये जो गूगल कोलैब है, डू यू हैव एनी जीमेल ऑफ योर्स?
What?
Do you have Gmail?
Yep.
So you can easily go here and click Google Colab here. So you can easily open the new notebook also. New notebook.
Okay.
For your practicing, you can create a new notebook, then you can practice here. Then, but firstly, you have to connect to the server. Otherwise, the notebook is not working.
Okay.
Okay. I think that is enough for you for the first class. Okay. Okay. What is your homework? Uh,
Ma'am, is the class 45 minutes long?
huh?
Ma'am, how long is the class?
Is for 1 hours.
But ma'am, it's only been 45 minutes. We started at 1:30.
Yeah, I know. I know this. I know this. Don't worry. मैं बस आपको अभी एक होमवर्क दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं आगे आपको पढ़ा सकूँ. ठीक है? ताकि मैं भूल ना जाऊँ.
Okay.
I think it is a first class, so that is enough for you. If you want, I will taught you more.
Okay. Can I at least get the homework?
Okay. Okay. This is your homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And the next topic is data types in Python. Data types in Python. Data types data types can be divided in four types of data in Python are given below. Right? First is sequence data type. Sequence data type is also known as numeric data type. That means in this data type, the the data the data should be integer, that is positive and negative integer. In Python, we can start the count of the data from 0, 1, 2, and so on, right? This is the first data type of Python, that is sequence data type. In this data type, we can store the data in the form of numerical values. Numerical values, either if it is positive, either is it negative. Okay, and
Okay.
you got this.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Second one is Boolean data type, right? In this data type of in this data type of Python, the data should be stored in the form of bool values. That is, that means yes or no for true and false, right? In simple, we can say that condition 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 conditional statements are stored in this data type. Okay, so basically this is the second type of data type in of Python. So that is Boolean. So Boolean means in this data type we can store the data in the form of condition that is true or false because the condition has only two results that is has only two sides that is true or false or yes or no. Okay,
Okay.
do you understand?
Yes.
Third one is text data type. That is seven types. The third one is text data type. In this data type of Python, the data should be in the form of text. That means just like this. It is also known as string string in Python, right?
Yes.
So in this type of data type of Python, we can the data should be stored in the form of text. That is Python. That is my name. That is your name. Okay, so Python is also have a data type that is the text data type. So data should be stored in text form also, right? Next one is beginning of these things. Yeah. Okay, this is integer data type because it can store integer value. Minus five. The fourth one is sequence data type. Okay. In this data type, we can store the values uniquely. Okay. And it also includes list tuple and range, and list tuple is the data structure of Python, right? This data type is clear, you or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Next one is set data type. In this data type, the data should, sorry, the data should be stored in the form of set, right? Second one is mapping data type. In this data type, the data in this data type, it can store the data in the form of key value pairs. Key value pairs. That is dictionary. Okay. Last one is non-data type. This data type represents the null value. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the data types of Python. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please
No.
ask. Okay. This is the theory part. Okay. In tomorrow class, we can do the practical on the topic data types. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Will you share this?
yeah, I will share this in the group.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And also, I will check your homework on tomorrow class.
Okay.
And I will also share the notes. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And also recording in the group. I will send.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. Bye. Take care.